Prior to leaving for Los Angeles, Peñalosa visited our home for lunch together with his wife Goody and their daughter and spoke about his fight with Ponce de Leon and the chances of Boom Boom Bautista. Kasi Daniel Ponce de Leon medyo mukhang mataas ang mabigat, no?
First time ko yung lumaban ng timbang na yun at 122, kaya nanibago rin ako. Although nabigatin ng mga dang fight, pero let's say hindi ko yun katimbang talaga.
Ano tingin mo sa yung chance ni Boom Boom? You fought De Leon, you know the style of De Leon?
Sa fight na yan, parang anything can happen. Both talagang aggressive. Parehong may lakas, parehong matapang. So, either sa dalawa. Siguro 50-50. Or, let's say, 55-45 in favor of Boom Boom.
Pero problema ni Boom Boom, may kulang ng experience. Palagay ko.
Kahit sa part ko, nakikita ko kulang experience. Siguro kung ang fight nila mangyari in 2 years time, or kahit na 1 year, let's say talagang 100% mananalo si Boom Boom. So, hindi ko masasabi na malamangan siya or disadvantage siya. Kaso lang medyo experience-wise or quality of opponents, mas lamang yung De Leon.
Tapos si Boom Boom is only 20 years old. Yung katawan ng bata.
Tama. Pero sa nakikita natin o nakikita ko, malakas yung Boom Boom eh. So once na makatama siya, so talagang may paglagyan si Ponce.
Tapos isa pa, si Boom Boom Bautista naman, meron disiplinado. He's very disciplined, he trains hard, so
Talagang from first round to 12 rounds, expect natin yung Boom Boom talagang nandyan eh. Dahil alam ko rin gutom na gutom, pati si Mr. Aliger na talagang hangad talaga niyang magkaroon ng World Boxing Champion. So this time, tingin ko, ang nakikita ko, or na-feel ko yung kapanalo ni Boom Boom.
Peñalosa himself will fight Johnny Gonzalez for the WBO bantamweight crown and says this may well be his last chance to win a world title. The former WBC super flyweight champion won the 115-pound title with an impressive 12-round split decision over outstanding Japanese Hiroshi Kawashima on February 20, 1997, some 10 years ago.